Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the unboxing of the brand newest phone I got from T-Mobile called the Oneplus6t. I guess I already got it before, so I already took it out and checked it out pretty much. So I packed it in and yes, let's go. Box off. What I like about it, but it comes with a nice little case. I have very slippery hands, so sometimes I do kind of job it that I don't want to do, so I make sure of that. And yeah, so it's got a little camera on the front. Let's see, turn this on. There we go, let's turn it on. Hey, you can see my random background on my computer, yeah? Yep, T-Mobile. It's actually the only company in the US to actually have this phone. But I give them credit for getting. Because no one else really carried it. Not even Verizon didn't carry it. So yeah, thank T-Mobile for that. And so far, I already have my front screen pretty much all set up. Very nicely. Haven't done too much with it because it's not my really actual phone I use. The one I use is my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So, I'm going to do a little speed test in the area. I'm going to turn up the Wi-Fi first to make it a little easier. I open what's the app with this? Open Signal. Okay, hit that. There we go. Now let's see what this sucker is. But as you see, the antenna pretty much is pointing towards me here. Now I'm gonna go and see how the speed test goes. Let me see if I can hold this up for you. Now y'all can watch this. Let's see how this works. Not too bad. And not looking too shabby on that either. Do I have anything else on here? Nope, okay. Yeah, everything's pretty smooth. Like I say, the screen's pretty smooth wise. And I haven't really texted anybody else. The camera's not too bad. I don't mind the camera. Gonna look at my cell phone here. Video also isn't too bad. Not minding too much. I haven't really recorded anything yet or taken pictures with it yet. Maybe later on. I said I've basically been using mostly my Note 9 for more pictures and video because it is my main phone. Maybe sometime down the line I might switch after everything kind of paid off with Verizon. I might switch over to T-Mobile, but we'll see. Because I also have a tablet. So yeah, kind of have like almost 2 phones, 1 tablet. Crazy, isn't it? Other than that, everything speed-wise with flipping through the phone, it goes pretty good. I'm not complaining about it. Everything else in the box, forget. But I get the cord, I've been kind of showing it. Much the color. Close to a T-Mobile color too, I have to say. Like I said, this is my first Oneplus6t I ever owned. I never had a OnePlus phone before. I had Android years ago. I had an iPhone as well. But, yep, so I had to give it a try, see it is. Like I had to give you a little dongle here for headphones. Because there's no headphone jack on here. And also on here they have like a little bit of a part where near the camera where you can have either screen go above it. Or you can take that off, the screen doesn't go around it wise. But I decided not to have that way. And I think they said it's a big enough speed charger. Holy smokes. This thing is massive. Compared to my iPhone charger, which was always that tiny, this thing, pretty much almost the size, well, kind of towards the size of my Samsung speed charger, but big enough? Holy smokes. Thing's a monster beast, tell ya. And what to say on the back here, has a Snapdragon 845. Like I said, I'm always just gotten back into Android. I used to be doing the iPhone a lot, so yeah. That's nice screen. Has a 16 plus 20 megapixel dual cameras. Not as big a battery as my Note 9 had. My Note 9 is a bigger, I think, 4 mega amp battery. It was a lot lasts longer wise. But I tried it out one time. It got down to about 50%. Put it on it. Say about 20%. Oh my, about 20 minutes and fully charged. Fast. Can't believe that one. But phone otherwise, would I recommend to anybody? Yeah, I recommend it to people. Nice little phone wise to start out with. And first, like I said, the nice thing is this in the case wise. Like how the fingerprint's actually integrated. Let me see if I can do this. Not very good. Actually, fingerprint actually is integrated into the screen. There you go, kinda. There you go. And does have face unlock. Face unlock goes really quick. This is faster than my old iPhone 10 did. So yep, that's pretty much my review wise. It's a good phone, not bad wise. I'll probably be doing a lot more with it once I switch over. So yep, so my name is Mad Iris Guy, and for my first video wise, and my first review, I might be doing a review of my Note 9 a little bit myself. So yep, so have a good one.